In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background theme in PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So if you are looking to change this theme on your home screen, so if you are looking for to change this theme, so it's not possible on your PS5. It might be possible on the modded PS5, but on a normal PS5 right now it's not possible. But if you want to change your profile background, you can do it. So to do it, go on your profile icon, press X, then go to profile, press X. Now here you are on your profile. So if you want to change this background theme, you can change it. So to do it, go on the right side and here you'll see the edit profile option. Go on that, press X. Now here go on cover image, press X, and here I already have an image, so I'm going to remove this. So now here it is showing me that I need to select the image. So go on select image, press X. Now from here you'll see all of the screenshots that are available on your PS5. So select any one of the screenshot that you want as your background, profile background. After selecting, go on select and press X. Now here you can zoom the image, you can rotate it, you can change its position, and after that go on save to save it. So now you have to wait for a few seconds to save it and go on done and press X and go on your profile, and this is how your the background profile background will look like. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.